Deciding whether to file bankruptcy can be a complicated decision. You will need to gather all of your financial information and sit down with an experienced bankruptcy attorney so that all of your options can be evaluated. Generally, bankruptcy is an option when you do not have sufficient income to pay your debts are past due, or your creditors are filing lawsuits against you or garnishing your wages, taking those kind of collection efforts. Chapter 13, Bankruptcy, involves a repayment plan. Essentially, all of your creditors would become part of the repayment plan, with some of those creditors receiving full payment, some receiving partial payment, and some receiving no payment. A Chapter 13 plan usually lasts 5 years. Chapter 7 is completely different. In a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, all of your debts, except for debts that you choose to reaffirm, will be discharged. If you file a Chapter 7 bankruptcy and wish to keep certain property, for example, a car that is collateral for a loan, then it will be necessary to reach a reaffirmation agreement with the lender. A reaffirmation agreement is a contract that says even though you are filing bankruptcy and could discharge the debt, you decided not to discharge this debt. Instead, you are going to repay the debt under the terms of that reaffirmation agreement, which will specify an interest rate, a monthly payment, and all of the details that you normally see in loan documents, so that you can continue to keep your vehicle. Usually we see reaffirmation agreements with home mortgages and vehicle loans. In Indiana, there are several types and amounts of property that are exempt, meaning that your creditors cannot take the property and you can keep it when filing bankruptcy. In most cases, our clients are able to keep all of their property. We have a table listing most of the exemptions on our website. Of course, bankruptcy is bad for your credit, and a bankruptcy generally stays on your credit reports for 10 years. Because credit rating and scoring is so complex and all lenders have different lending standards, it is impossible for anyone to predict exactly how bankruptcy will affect you. It is common for people to qualify for car loans almost immediately after filing bankruptcy, although the down payment and interest rate may be higher than usual. Also, sometimes people use secured credit cards as a way of improving credit scores. Please call our office or send us an email to schedule a consultation. On the website, we've got a list of all the financial documents that we need. Just bring all of those to your appointment and we'll review them and discuss your options forward.